So one of my favorite AI hacks, whether it's for business writing or research or anything else, is to not have to remember complex prompt frameworks or structures. Just get the AI tool to create the prompt for you and help you refine the prompt before you actually execute it. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how to do this with ChatGPT, with Gemini, and with Microsoft 365 Copilot if you have that subscription. The reality is it works exactly the same in any of the different AI tools. Let's have a quick look and see how it works in practice. So here we are in ChatGPT. Again, what I'm going to do is just simply work with ChatGPT to create a really great prompt for me. In this case, let's build a prompt to write an executive summary of a proposal document that I'm working on. So it's going to be as simple as, can you please work with me to create a prompt that helps me produce a very, yeah, actually spelling you don't have to have it perfectly spelled either, by the way. Very persuasive executive summary for my proposal document. And what you'll see is ChatGPT will either come back with some tips or something like that, but then it gives me an actual starting point for the prompt as well. So write a persuasive executive ready summary for a proposal targeting an industry organization. Summary should be written in Australian English. ChatGPT knows that because I've got that in my custom instruction, which we'll talk about a bit later. Suitable for a time-poor senior executive audience. I might start with a compelling hook, define the problem or opportunity, summarize proposed solution, quantify the anticipated impact, reinforce credibility, so on and so forth, and then provide a summary in under 300 words. So what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste that prompt, and I can type it in here, and now I can edit it, right? So I'm going to target targeting finance. Summary should be Australian English. And then what I could do is just add the actual file itself. So the document that I want to get an executive summary of, add it in here, hit execute, and then it will execute the prompt for me. Pretty easy, right? Pretty cool. Process is the same in Gemini. So if I'm in Gemini here, and I want to, in this case, maybe write an email to our CEO pitching a new idea. Help me create a prompt to write an email that, maybe write a pitch email to my CEO. So again, it's got some questions here that I can work with, and it's actually given me a detailed prompt structure to use as well. So what I'll do is look at that. I can just copy and paste that content into the chat, close that, Gemini, and then I can go through here and edit it as well. So write a concise, impactful pitch email to my CEO. My name in there. Purpose of the pitch is to main idea is to give everyone an extra week of annual leave. Problem to be addressed, so you can say our people are burned out. Proposed solution, extra week of leave. Benefits would be to, let's see, what are the benefits? More relaxed, rested workforce. Desired action, approve the annual leave. Describe how your CEO prefers to receive information. I think I like that. It's suggesting there they appreciate big picture thinking with evidence to back it up. And I don't think there's any extra stuff that will add, so I'll just get rid of this part of the prompt. And email length, let's keep it to 150 words. And then I'll get rid of this my name, your role bit, but we could add that in there as well. I hit submit. And what we're going to do is get the email pitch to the boss. So I'm writing this proposed strategic initiative based on bolstering a most critical asset our people. You can see here very quickly, it's produced a great prompt structure to produce a great bit of output as well. Okay, in Microsoft 365 Copilot, again, we can get this through the browser or through Teams if you've got it. If you've got a Microsoft 365 Copilot license inside your organization, we can do the same thing. But more importantly, with this particular context, we can work with your existing files. We can work with your meetings, your email, and everything like that. So in this case here, I'm going to ask Copilot to build me a prompt that will help me to summarize the emails from the last couple of months with a particular point of view that I'm looking for. So help me build a prompt that will summarize my emails from the last 3 months, but I want to focus particularly on 2 different topics and compare and contrast them. Like if I just did a single shot prompt like that, I might get an okay response, but what I want to do is just focus on refining this prompt first to make sure I get it right the first time. I'll hit enter. And here's the prompt that I can use. And then it tells me ways I can apply that prompt as well. So summarize my emails from last 3 months related to topic B. Each topic identify key themes, decisions, and action items, and compare and contrast the 2 topics in terms of tone, urgency, stakeholders involved, and outcomes. Highlight any overlaps or conflicts between them. That seems like the kind of more detailed, more sophisticated prompt that I was looking for. And I'd get a far better result using this than the initial prompt that I had in my head as well. So I type that in there. I'm going to change the topic A and topic B. I'm going to add in some additional content here, then hit execute. So there you have it. It's basically a quick and easy way to work with your favorite AI tool to create really well-structured prompts without having to worry about the structure yourself, making it far easier for you to get more sophisticated, more precise, and get the exact outcomes you want to get from AI when you're working with it day to day.